Eni Seneta ma Trans Nzoia Allan Chesang okwayo jatend piny William Ruto mondo ojwang chenro mar gero udi manengogi yweyo e kaunti no. Jod burano mar Kenya Kwanza omedo wacho ni jodak maromo 5,000 ibiro we ma onge kar dak ka chenro no odhi nyime. Kaka bende mano kendo skunde, osiptende kod kwendo yweyo ma kaunti no ero bende biro kethre.
It is against my wish and nataka niombe serikali kuu ya kwamba we have many of our people in Trans Nzoia. We have many of our relatives in Trans Nzoia. In this land, people have been buried in this land. We have many of our businesses in this land. In fact, we have even schools, private and public schools in this land that are being affected. We have our hospitals, for example, Cherangani Nursing Home. This hospital is actually a level 4 hospital, and it has been helping most of our people in Trans Nzoia. We have private investments in this land worth of billions of money. This is the economy of Trans Nzoia. We have people, we have many of our youths working in these private investments. We have over 1,000 people, 1,000 youths working in these businesses, and this is going to affect and it's going to make most of our youths jobless. These are the people that in this same government you're trying to create jobs for.